Hello everyone and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to do some unboxings of these beautiful furls. So let's go ahead and open these up. Okay. Can't wait to show you all what I got. Yes, a few of our favorite things. That's right. As a QR code that I can use for the next time that I purchase. Oh, look at this beautiful new packaging. Oh, I love this color. Wow. This is a mint green. The name of Furls, Streamline, is written in that foil, and it almost looks like a pink, right? Oh, wow, this is so pretty. Rose gold. That's more like it. Rose gold. This is nice. This is the first time that I've gotten a new packaging, so I'm really in awe of it. It says, wait, open other end. Okay, I love it. Oh yes, it is packaged well. This is the tinsel hook, K hook. Oh, it is even more beautiful in person. And this is a 6.5. Look at that. You can see all, it's clear and it has all of the little tinsel on the inside in the various colors. You can see the pink, blues, green, all these different colors in there. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, it fits nicely in my hand as well. Oh, this is nice. And it's not too heavy. And I like that it's a little bit of tinsel right there that is kind of bunched up. You may not be able to see it, but I see it right there. And I'm kind of loving that. Oh, I'm in awe over this. This right here is a needle case. I know I have sent some people needle cases, and that F stands for Furls. That's their logo. And you can put your little tapestry needles in there. This is so pretty. This is the maple. I think they have an oak one. I think it's maple and oak. And I have the oak one. This is so nice. All right. Excellent. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. I think I better put this back in here for now, just for safekeeping. This is a special gift that I got from Lorraine that works at Furls. Oh, wow. Look at the new box. Oh, my goodness. These are the new alpha boxes. Oh, look at that. Meet your new favorite hook, it says. Oh, I'm just loving this. And look, it has it wrapped in gold tissue paper. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. It says thank you. Oh, it's a pale moon hook. Look at that. Thank you, Lorraine. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Ah. I mean, it's like chocolatey, ebony vibes. It's an eye hook. And then it has that nice little sand color going down this one side there. And just a little hint of sand. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm so glad to add this to my collection. So for those of you that have small hands, this alpha hook will really, really work well for you. Very lightweight. This is so nice. Pale Moon Ebony Hook is what this is called if anyone is interested. So I had to come on and show you really quickly some of the items that I got from Furls. I'm going to wrap this back up. Well, actually, no, I'm going to put it in one of my collector's boxes right now. But I'm definitely keeping this new box. Oh, life is short. Use pretty tools. That's what it says on the other side of the box. Thank you all for tuning in. I greatly appreciate you. If you're interested in buying any furls now and or in the future, just remember to use my affiliate link, and it is in the description box of my videos. So thank you. I appreciate you. For all of you that have used my affiliate link, thank you. So take care, and remember to live each day as if it were your last.
Thank you for watching, yeah. Please click that thumbs up. Like the video. And if you haven't already, push that button that says subscribe. Subscribe to all of Joe's channel, the Crochet Sailor channel. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to the channel.